Want to turn GoHighLevel into a system that makes money for you, even when you're not working? It's all about automations and smart offers. First, package services like funnels, websites, or lead nurturing into a monthly subscription. This creates predictable recurring income instead of one-off projects. Also, resell GoHighLevel as your own SaaS. Clients get the tools they need, CRM, automations, calendars, and you collect the subscription fees every month. Build automations that fulfill client needs without you constantly checking in. For example, onboarding funnels, nurture campaigns, or appointment booking system that run 24/7. Once your base system is running, stack on upsells like premium support, done for your funnels, or ad management. This increases your revenue without extra effort. That's how you turn GoHighLevel into a passive income system. Recurring offers, white label SaaS, and automations doing the heavy lifting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.